Hi guys, do you want to learn Core Java easily? Do you want to know which tool will be efficient to code Core Java? How to learn Core Java step by step? All these queries will be answered in an object. A pen can be considered as an object. A person like me, you, everything, switchboard, fan, light, everything is meant to be an object. Either it is living things or non-living things. We can consider anything as an object. According to me, I am an object. Hindu is an object, right? So, what is an object? Object is nothing but it has its own data which has the characteristics. The data in the sense, the basic details which we are providing to this particular object. Okay, so according to this object, we can provide the basic details such as age, name. My name is Indumati. My age is 37. Height 154 centimeters. Likewise, we will be providing the basic details in the form of characteristics, and behavior will be calculated according to the data given. That is, the characteristics will be holding the data members, and the behavior will be used for finding the calculations by mentioning the member functions. The functions will be used to calculate the data, and if I want to calculate my own annual salary according to this object, if a particular object is finding its own annual salary by using 1 day per day salary can be calculated into 30 days salary, and 12 months we can calculate for 1 year, right? So, Java is an object-oriented programming language which consists of data members, that is characteristics, as well as member functions, and that is said to be behavior. Thank you. We will meet with another interesting topic in Core Java.